Yo, what's going on guys? This is Keg back here with another Discord video. And in today's video guys, I'm going to be making a updated version of the how to get all the Discord badges guide, kind of a series I do on my channel. I had two of these videos on my old channel, now I have two of these on my current channel. And essentially I'm going to be sitting down here explaining how you can get all the badges you see on screen right now. So since my last video, there has been two new badges updated and added into Discord, and these are some pretty big badges to be honest, and there is some changes on how you can get some badges also. So let's just get right into that. So first of all, you will see the three Hype Squad badges. So Brilliance, Balance, and Bravery. You can simply just go over to your Discord user settings, scroll down to Hype Squad and take a quiz, and it will randomly give you a Hype Squad badge. There isn't any, kind of certain answers you have to have, I'm pretty sure, to get a certain badge, but even if you don't get the badge you want, you can always re-enter the quiz and just redo it and get a different badge. The next badge we have here is the Early Supporter badge, which was given to Discord users who actually had a Discord Nitro subscription before October 2017. You can no longer get this badge, it's impossible to get now, and I doubt Discord will return a way to get it in the future. The next badge we have here is the Discord Staff badge. Only staff members of Discord itself actually have this. Obviously, there's no way for a regular Discord user to actually obtain this badge, unfortunately, so maybe you can apply for a job at Discord. I'll leave that link in the description below if you want to check that out, and maybe one day you can get this badge. The next badge we have here is Discord Partner badge, and this is for people that are actually officially partnered with Discord themselves. So if you go down to discordapp.com/partners, you will actually find a forum where you put in the appropriate answers to the questions and whatever. At the time of recording, they are closed, but they may be opened by the time you are seeing this. But there is specific guidelines and set requirements you do need to have and follow, which are listed on the partner website, so I suggest seeing them before actually applying, or else you will get rejected for the partner program, obviously. Next we have here is the Discord Hype Squad Events badge. So this is a different badge to the Hype Squad Houses badges. This is similar to the Discord Partner badge in a sense, where you actually have to go to discordapp.com/hype squad, where you will be able to apply for the badge, and you have to make a video that's less than 4 minutes long talking about, what events you have gone to, what you do for a living, all that kind of stuff, and they will give you this badge here if they deem you worthy. The next badge here, obviously we all know this one, Discord Nitro. You can simply just purchase a subscription to Discord Nitro Classic, or just the normal Nitro, and you will receive this badge on your profile, and whenever you stop paying for the subscription, it will disappear. The next badge is the first badge that's new in this video, which is the Discord Developer badge. I'm pretty sure it's called Verified Discord Developer. Pretty much, it's a very nitty and gritty guidelines, to be honest. I do have a video on my second channel, which I will be talking about at the end of the video, how you can actually get this badge. From my best understanding, you pretty much have to have a bot that's in 75 unique servers, and then over at the developer's website for Discord, you will see a drop down menu or something of the kind that actually gives you a form to apply for a verified Discord developer badge, obviously, and the program. Your bot will also get the verified bot badge, as well as any other developers that help you with your bot will also receive this badge. Next few badges here are the Nitro boosting badges, and these stretch out from 1 month to all the way to 2 years. And how you actually get these is if you are subscribed to Nitro, not Nitro Classic. You will have 2 free boosts to use on a server. You need to have them both active, and you need to be boosting consistently to the same server for up to, say, 2 years if you want to get the 2-year badge. At the time of recording, obviously, since Nitro boosting is roughly a year old, no one has the badge past this point here, so the star badge is probably the highest rank you can get at the time of recording. So for right now, these 3 are pretty much impossible to get, and you'll just have to wait on actually receiving them. The last 2 badges here, obviously I'm going to be assorting these into the same one. These 2 are the Discord Bug Hunter badge and the Gold Bug Hunter badge. Now, just after I made my very first Discord badge video all the way back in February of 2019, the Bug Hunter server, so the Discord Discord developer server was overloaded with requests on how you can actually get this Book Hunter badge, and pretty much half of the time the chat will just be asking how you could get this badge. And around the 29th of December, I believe, of 2019, so just after I posted my last video, they changed the guidelines on how you can actually get this badge. Pretty much it doesn't work in experience points anymore. I'll put the image on screen of how you can actually get these, and it kind of goes up in levels. When you get to level 4, you will receive the normal green one, and when you hit level 5, you will hit the gold one. And obviously you can get some other stuff. I'm pretty sure there's Nitro thrown in there somewhere. There was an Evernote forum put out as well along with this announcement. I'll put that in the description also. Pretty much all badges that actually associate with, you know, forums, links, or whatever, I will put in the description, as well as the pinned comment if you guys want to check them out for yourself. And yeah, that pretty much wraps us up with all the badges here. Now, before I end the video, I will be adding that Discord videos will no longer be going up on this channel, and they will be going up on my new channel called Asianga, which will be linked in the description below, as well as the pinned comment. I'll be doing all these Discord videos there, so make sure to go over to that channel if you want to follow up with the latest Discord news and just some other type of tip videos for Discord, as well as just guides in general. This series has always been like my most supported series, so I do have to thank you guys for sticking through with it, even the people that rewatch these videos. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's video there. Make sure to subscribe with notifications on if you want to be notified on my next video and videos just like this one. Leave a like if you did enjoy today's video. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, and I will catch you guys in the next one.